Welcome to the Kingdom Wayfinder, and today I got another Spyro video for you guys on Spyro Reignited Trilogy, and today we're going to be doing an analysis of the Toasty level that was shown off at E3 alongside Treetops was shown at E3, but we're going to be doing an analysis on Toasty's level, so this video will be a little bit shorter, but before we get into this video, or this footage, sorry, comes from Critical Hit, so I'll put a link in the description to that channel and this video, because that's where I got this from, even though there's a lot of other channels like GameSpot, IGN, and whatnot. I'm just using this because it's the first thing I went to. So we start off the level here with the player kind of, moving the camera around Spyro. The boy looks clean, mighty fresh. We got some red gems in the background, and man, this game, Toys for Bob, oh my god. This game looks so clean in Unreal Engine 4. So, as we can see, there's the shepherds and the dogs and everything like that. And what's really cool is that they got their own idle animations now, which is kind of awesome. I don't think you're gonna see it here, but like right before you, right there you see when he points at Spyro. But there's a lot of other new things. That's kind of like a redone animation and stuff like that. But there's other new animations and whatnot. So Spyro's going into the art gallery, which is created by Nevin, and you kind of just see a lot of concept art around the place, and that's actually of the game itself, which is pretty cool. A nice little Easter egg that Toys for Bob put in there. So as we can see, Spyro is, obviously breathing fire, charging around, and toasting enemies. And then we see Nevin right here. So Dragon Nevin rescued. So there he is. He's redesigned to be a painter, which I like because this is his art gallery. And, oh, the game looks so good. And then there's my son. There's my son. It's my purple son. And then, of course, he's talking about how Toasty has made tricks up his sleeve, and we're going to see that fight right now. So, that should be sick. And then we see a fairy. I think that's Zoe. It's not confirmed. I don't think it's Zoe. It could be Zoe. But yeah, there's Toasty who just moves the way he moves. Oh my god. And the dogs, there's the dogs. Of course you have to hit them twice. First time burn their hair off or their fur off, and then the second time they burn to dust completely. And there's the man behind the costume, Toasty the sheep. And man, this game, the animation, the colors, Sparks is blue, so if you get hit twice now, or 2 more times now, you're done for. And then that's basically the end of the level. You return home, and that's basically it, guys. Yep. That's it. That is it for this footage of Spyro Reignited Trilogy of the Toasty level in the game. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little analysis. And yeah. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video if you enjoy it. Share around with other Spyro fans, because this is not a Kingdom Hearts video. And usually I end it off with May Your Heart Be Your Guiding Key. I don't know what to end it off with this time. Regardless, I'll see you guys tomorrow with the next set of uploads.